Alright, put this up real quick. Put this Intel news up real quick. And then we're done. Let's see. Oh no, wait a minute. No, it's Unreal. Tripping. Unreal Engine 5. 5. What's it? 5.4? 5? Oh, gotta put this up. Oh yeah, 5.6. Oh, by the way, hello viewers. Another beautiful day. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good or excellent. Yep. Yeah, I had content done from yesterday. Actually, last night. But I put them out this morning. So, yeah. Gotta put content out, man. Feed the viewers. Yeah, you viewers. Gotta keep you in the loop, you know. Okay, what I got for you guys? Oh, we're talking about the Unreal Engine 5.6 fixes and critical performance issues. Listen to this. It says Unreal Engine 5.6 make 60% FPS game a lot more feasible. Epic Games has officially released Unreal Engine 5.6, and its release should come as good news for both gamers and developers alike. With this new version of Unreal Engine 5 comes a new suite of hardware optimization. These optimization allow developers to get more out of today's hardware. Thanks to this new vision of Unreal Engine 5, running large open world games at 60 FPS has become a lot easier. This is why CD Projekt Red, The Witcher 4 tech demo, can run at 60 FPS on PS5 with ray tracing. Without this update, The Witcher 4 would likely run at 30 FPS. Says subtopic, powerful, high fidelity 60 FPS open world. Unreal Engine 5.6 delivered an optimized toolset you need to build and deliver games that consistently render at 60 FPS on current generation consoles, high-end PCs, and modern mobile devices. It says renderer parallelization with Unreal Engine 5.6. The latest version of Unreal Engine comes with RHI renderer parallelization, which allows games to utilize the multi-thread nature of the modern CPU better. By refactoring the engine, rendering a hardware interface, render thread performance increases. Simply put, fewer operations are restricted to a single thread. Then it says by freeing up resources on the engine's primary rendered threads, it is now easier for games to target higher frame rates on today's PCs and consoles. It says here Unreal Engine hardware subtopic, hardware ray tracing optimization. Unreal Engine hardware Lumen ray trace mode has been optimized to improve its performance on current generation hardware. Thanks to low-level optimization and increased rendering efficiency, high-end hardware Lumen's image quality can now be achieved in the frame time of software. Lumen's ray trace modes. Additional ray trace has been optimized to free up valuable CPU resources. Yes, Unreal Engine Lumen tech has been optimized to improve both CPU and GPU performance. The hardware ray tracing HWRT system enhanced are designed to deliver even more greater performance for Lumen Global Illumination. By eliminating key GPU bottlenecks, you can author more complex scenes while maintaining a smoother 60 FPS frame rate. Goodbye traversal stutters. One of the biggest problems that plague Unreal Engine 5 is traversal stutter. Many Unreal Engine 5 games stutter when moving across large worlds. With version 5.6 and experimental, fast geometry streaming plugins has been added to help enable faster loading and more consistent frame time. Sadly, due to experimental nature of this feature, it will be a while before it can be integrated into shipping Unreal Engine 5 projects. It says here, in addition, we've made significant improvement to the overall Unreal Engine performance when streaming static content in and out at runtime with the fastest geometry streaming plugins. Experimentals, you can have greater amount of immutable static geometry in your worlds that will load faster with constant frame rates. Additionally, all aspects will benefit from further improvement over content streaming, such as synchronous physics state creation and destruction. It says we also include indicated device profile that are optimized for 60 FPS and tailored for current generation console and desktop platform. These enable you to meet performance target, minimize setup, and deliver smoother, high-fidelity games to your players. And then it says, if this is one of the things that gamers and developers are crying out for, it's increased hardware efficiency. Unreal Engine 5.6 allows developers to get more from today's hardware. These changes will allow some games to target their high frame rates. Other projects will be able to use this freed up performance to push graphical fidelity up a notch. While we'd like to see full fix for issues like shaders, compilation, and traversal stutters, it cannot be denied that Unreal Engine 5.6 delivers some major improvements. Undeniably, lumens and renderers thread efficiency improvements are high on the list of improvements that developers want. Further, a design goal of enabling more 60 FPS games should be applauded. If there's one thing to be said about Unreal Engine 5, it is that feature set is arguably too ambitious for current generation hardware. Even so, its optimization with each new release have made its cutting-edge visual features increasingly accessible to developers. Sadly, it will take years for new games to ship with Unreal Engine 5.6. Regardless, it's good to see Epic Game Engine tech progress in time. All gamers will see the fruits of these efforts. Alright, well, that's the end of the article. So, 5.6 is here to improve over 5.5. And that's the way it goes with these Unreal Engines, There's always new improvements being made. So Unreal Engine, it will play its role, in console gaming. Now, when it comes to console gaming, usually you will see it's like when the first few games come out on a console. It's just a test run to see what the console can handle and what the console can do. But as years, as a second year goes in, the gaming gets better on the console. Third year, the gaming gets better. Fourth year, the gaming gets better. And then like the fifth or sixth year, you see the true potential of the console. Because to get the true potential out of the console, you need more than just one game to see the actual result that you're looking for. But this Unreal Engine will improve on stutters, and the PS5 when it came to the Witcher 4 tech demo, they was using Unreal Engine, Unreal Engine, so they were able to get 60 FPS. So as games gets more demanding, that's where Unreal Engine comes in. So it's a step-by-step process, when it comes to game developers. This Unreal Engine benefits both the developers and gamers as a whole, and it gives them more tools to work with, so to improve the games, and then the gamers in turn will see the results of that, of that advancement in the years to come when it comes to when it comes to gaming. So yeah, when you go up with the Unreal Engine 5, the frame rates of the game, they get higher. They get higher, so you're able to pull off, say, 40, 50, 60, 70, FPS, and more. So this is just this to me right now. This is just to improve on what they already have, and improve the limitations of the previous Unreal Engines, whether it was Unreal Engine 5, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, and even 5.5. So 6 does a better job of what the previous one do. So this should be this will improve, like, say, shaders, lumens, renders. Yeah. But you will see, like during the second to last year of a console, that's when this new update started to take effect, so it doesn't take effect right away, but you will see it, developers will start using it. Engine 5, man. This article has a video too. It's about, I think, 2 minutes. See how long it says? 1 minute and 36 seconds.
Hey everyone, get ready to build bigger and create faster. Unreal Engine.
Yeah, so I'll leave the link in the description box. But other than that, yeah, I mean this also improved, you know, path tracing, ray tracing, FSR. It improved XeSS, fluid motion frames, smooth motion, AMMF, you know, Direct XR. It improves a lot. So this is what the 5.6 is bringing to the table. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this video for y'all to enjoy though. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars, Star Trek thing. Board, Dark Side. Go. Peace.